Good morning, student of class 7. Today I will teach you English literature, chapter number 1st, The Chocolate Room, section D, question number 4th. So let us start. Question number 4th. How was the chocolate made light and frothy? What was unique about the method was? So note down, the chocolate made the chocolate was made light and frothy when a very steep cliff over which the water curled and rolled in a solid sheet. Then it went down into a boiling, churning whirlpool. Full stop. One more here. What was unique about the method used? Note down, the boiling, churning whirlpool was unique in the method. Okay. Question number 5th. Who accompanied Charlie to the chocolate factory? How did both of them react after tasting the grass? Who accompanied? You know that Charlie has gone with his grandpa Joe. So note down, Grandpa Joe accompanied Charlie to the chocolate factory. Second question of it, how did both of them react after tasting the grass? Note down, after tasting the grass, both are excited. Both are excited. While Grandpa has said, I could go around on all fours like a cow and eat the whole field of grass. Next one, last question number 6. Mention two unusual things about Oompa Loompas. So note down, two unusual things about Oompa Loompas are, first, two things you have to mention here. What? About size and about hair. Note down. So they are small in size, and second one, their hair was in green color. These two things unusual. Now hots. Hots. What was the method devised by Willy Wonka to select visitors to his factory? Who was winner? Mention two good qualities of the winner. So means Willy Wonka, what is the process to select the visitors to the factory? What was the process? In the starting of the chapter, it's already given. Okay, think about and now search it and mention who was the winner. Everyone you know that. And mention two good qualities of the winner. Two good qualities of winner. Winner means Charlie. That you have to mention. It's very easy. Find it out and complete it. Okay. Now next one, grammar spotlight. Sentences. I have already told you what is a sentence. So sentences about, but here in sentences we have to study here question tag. In grammar portion I have already told you question tag how to make. But here given a question tag is a short question added at the end of a statement or an imperative sentence to confirm that something is true or not. Sometimes it is used to encourage a reply from the person being spoken to. That I have already told you. If sentence if the sentence is in positive, question tag will be negative, and if the sentence is in negative, so question tag will be positive. So here one example, William Shakespeare was a great playwright. William Shakespeare was a great playwright. This sentence is in positive, so your question tag will be in negative. Was not he? Here check, you came by train. So what will be question tag of it? Did not you? Now fill in the blanks with correct question tags from the bracket. Surbhi did not call us. Again I am repeating it. Surbhi did not call us, and in the bracket already two, one did she oblique was she given. Okay, so here check Surbhi did not call. It means present past indefinite tense, and in negative check did not call, so it means question tag will be positive and not was. What is used? Did. So what will be? Did she? Like this you have to use. Okay, next one, transformation of sentences. When we transform means interchange without changing of its meaning. So when we transform a sentence, we usually change the form of sentence without changing of its meaning. What I had told, without changing of its meaning. So we can transform sentences in different ways. Assertive into an exclamatory. Here check, the dress is beautiful. This sentence is in positive, means declarative, and so what will be its exclamatory? How beautiful the dress is. Now this one exclamatory. Next one, the trip to Shimla. Next page, the trip to Shimla was amazing. Declarative sentence. So here exclamatory what will be? Oh, the trip to Shimla was amazing. Exclamatory. And how to assertive sentence into interrogative. Here given, I can never forget your generosity. Declarative. Interrogative what will be? Can I ever forget your generosity? It means only helping verb you have to write in front of the, it means before the subject. And next one, we can transform an imperative sentence into an interrogative sentences. How? Here check, send her an email now. This sentence imperative. How to change into interrogative? Will you send her an email now? Like this. Okay, so here transfer, what is the exercise B? Transform and write the following sentences as directed. First sentence is that Willy Wonka was a wealthy man into negative sentence. Negative sentence, how to write? One not we have to add, and wealthy. Well, just opposite of adjective you have to write. Okay, not add it, and wealthy opposite that negative it will be, and with the help of it you can do it. Okay, now spell well. Fill in the missing letters using clues given in the help box and learn the words well. Here already help box given. So which one suitable here? That you have 4 words and 4 help box also given. One by one I am reading, you just understand. First one, dumbfounded. Second, confectionery. Third, fascinated. Next, whirlpool. So okay, like today fill it. And now word power. Change the following words as per the instruction provided within the bracket and use newly formed words into a sentence of your own. What to do here? Again, change the following. Here 4 words written, hungry, and next page digest, taste, and greedy. So what to change? Change into noun. Hungry, you have to change it noun. Hungry, what is adjective? So what will be? Hungry, so that will be hunger. And now you have to make the sentence of it. Actually, two. Change the following word as per the instruction provided and use the newly formed words in your own sentences. Okay, change its noun, then you have to use it. And next page. Okay, next page, another video I am sending.